Hey guys, thank you for tuning back to my channel. My name is Mimi Carvel and I'm back at it with another wig review. So today's unit, you guys seen the previous clip. If you guys are just tuning in, we are reviewing Sleek Lay Part by Outre. And her name is Chanelle and I have her in the color Cinnamon Spice. But before we even get started, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for coming in and tuning in to the M Game. And make sure you click that notification bell and make sure you subscribe to my channel. And make sure you click all post notifications so you guys don't miss any more of my uploads in the future. And again, thank you for tuning in. Alright, so before we even continue, I already said that, but this unit was brought to you by SAMSBEAUTY. So I'd like to say thank you, SAMSBEAUTY, for sending over this gorgeous unit. All right, so we are doing Outre Sleek Lay Part, which is a part of their new line, and I have her in the color Cinnamon Spice, and of course again the name is Chanelle. It is a flat finish finished lace look, which I do love. So far so good. I actually like this unit. I am loving the color. The color is gorgeous. Like, let me say this, these colors here, like these little spice, little cinnamon spice, or like these orangey colors are perfect for the fall, and I am so happy that I got this unit. All right, so this cap construction comes, of course, you guys seen, two combs in the front, one in the back with adjustable strap. Some of the pros and cons about this unit: I think this unit is average size head friendly. I did not have to adjust the strap at all. This unit is going for a total of $30 on SAMSBEAUTY website, so be sure to check that out. It has a HD transparent lace, and of course, like I mentioned before, a flat finishing lace, so therefore the top is like more hand tied, as it's saying, so the lace and the appearance of the frontal can lay flatter, as you guys can see how flat this thing is. Flat, this is laid, it is flat, and I love that. I don't like any unit where I have to struggle and, you know, flatten the top. It already came flattened. I did, of course, hot combed her and flat ironed her as well, but I didn't even really need to do that. I just wanted to do that because I'm extra. Okay, your girl is extra. The sleek finishing look supposed to mimic a no hump look, so therefore that's why it's called Sleek Lay Part. Some of the key features are a wider hand tied lace part, which is true on the inside, as you guys seen from the beginning of the clip. I just love how flat this unit is laying. Like, it's so soft and so pretty. Like, it's real gorgeous. It has a 5-inch lace deep part, and also it has baby hairs. I did have to cut a few because I couldn't find a lot because of the HD transparent lacing, and it was also pre-plucked, so that's some of the good things about this unit. It's pre-plucked, so look at that hairline. Your girl did a good job. Look at this hairline. This is cute. This is so cute. Okay, so some of the cons about this unit I'm about to tell you right now. Straight from the packaging, when I was cutting the lace, she does tangles. So I'm not saying that I wouldn't wear this unit for the week. I think I will wear it for the week, but you'll probably have to put some products to tame down that tangliness, because from me cutting the lace, it was already getting tangled. From like when I was putting her on, she was already getting tangled, so I was already getting aggravated. But that's just pretty much the con I can say. Shedding, okay, one strand, but I have not really experienced any shedding, so I'm gonna be real honest with you. No shedding, but yes, tangling, yes. From a scale of 1 to 10, I do give this unit, I'll give it an 8.5 because of the color. It's so gorgeous. Like, look at this. The color, the length is giving me up to like top of my butt area, and it's so sleek. It's like sleek and soft, but you can feel that it will tangle. Like, you can feel a little bit of the ruggedness. I don't like to use that word, but you just can feel that it will tangle up on you. Like right now, it's sleek and soft, which I love, and the brush is going right through it, which is awesome. My fingers flowing right through it, so no tangliness now. So it's not like a bad overbearing tangliness, but you know, it does tangle. Of course, this unit has a ear-to-ear lace front lining, of course, and it does have a nice, I will say a nice lace, HD lace. But the lace did come a little bit on the wider side, so I did use the ambient tint lacing to tint that up. I have this in a color, what color do I have this in? Oh, medium dark brown. So this mimics my complexion really well. Usually I would use a powder, but I'm in love with this. I'm actually in love with this, and I'm happy I brought this. I did purchase that in my local beauty supply store, so be sure to check that out. This unit is also heat safe. It's up to, it can take heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I just love the feel. Like, there's not too much to say about this unit. I love the feel. It can take heat, of course, which is awesome. So therefore, I think that would help with the tingliness that I've been experienced with this unit. But guys, I think we will wrap this up right here, because there's nothing else to say about this unit but slayed, okay, to the gods. Like, this is so pretty. Like, gorgeous, super freaking gorgeous. I love it so much. Like, look at the color. Let me come close. Look at the color. Like, oh man, this is perfect for fall. Fall is around the corner. I think fall starts like on the 22nd or something. So this is a perfect fall look. I will be keeping this unit on for the week just to see if it will last me. But yeah, I think it has a good density. It's not thinned out. Let me see. Can you guys see the tracks? I don't think you can see the tracks in the back. It's not like thin out. It has a nice density, so I think that's a good thing. It's not too thin, it's not too thick. So I don't like if I have like a long wrap, especially a part in the middle, I don't want it to be too thick. So I want it to flow with the wind. So I think it flows just perfectly. But I think that is about it for this review. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share, and click that notification bell if you are new to my channel. And some of you guys are watching, you're not clicking that subscribe button or that bell, so you guys be missing out on these good content. I do have some more content for you guys this week, actually. I'm thinking about posting on a Wednesday, so Wednesday or Thursday, we'll see about that. But yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this look. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share. Did I say that? I think I already said that. But what I was meaning to say, don't forget to tune into my Instagram. I be like blinking out. I ain't gonna lie to you, I be blinking out. That's embarrassing. But don't forget to tune into my Instagram, which is Mimi Carvel Beauty. I do have 2 channels, so don't forget to follow the one that has the name Beauty at the end. And I think this is about it for this review. Mwah. Love you guys. See you soon.